So let me show you guys how I built this awesome looking pergola. Finished with a roof and all. Alright, so my son and I took out these 16 by 16 pavers out of here. Hello. Out of here, we're looking at about 28 feet, and it's about 5 feet deep. You guys are gonna come here this weekend and start digging out, clearing this path. We're gonna have the cement continue on all the way to that edge. The other spot is right over here, right where this brake line is. It's gonna continue down about halfway there, all the way across down over there. Again, the guys are gonna come and level off the dirt. Of course, we're gonna get rid of that planter down there, tear it up, and then this shed is gonna be relocated over to the right side, somewhere over there. So as you can tell, they've already dug out and made the clearance for the cement right over there, and this entire block. Anyway, so let's take a look over here. Same thing, form is laid out. It's gonna span all the way from way over here, back there, all the way over there. See that? That's where it ends. More or less a 16 by 16 pergola is going to be laid out here. Perfect square, right in the center of this thing. So here's the update. The gravel and sand will be dropped off this week, and we'll be ready for cement pouring this Saturday. I'm laying out here the dimension for the pergola slash gazebo slash whatever you guys want to call it. I am happy with this overall dimension. I was thinking about a 16 by 16. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I already went ahead and installed the post cap as well over on the other side over there, right there. Boop. There it is. So that's lined up with that one that you previously saw. And so today we are going to crack open all our material here. We have our posts. These are our 4 posts there, and then we're going to be installing a 16-footer I don't know, header columns or header beams, I should say, header and side beams, 16 foot wide. The longest ones are 4x8 by 16 footers. And now here's a little time lapse of the build. See me driving a couple bolts, nuts and bolts through the bottoms of these 4x6 posts. You see my son there, like always, helping out. Up to this point, it was just my son and my lady kind of helping out here. I was lifting those heavy beams, and I pretty much installed both beams, the front and the back. After that, I said, there's no way. And after that, I just decided to call my my friends over, a couple neighbors, and from that point, right about here, they came over, started helping, and yeah, it went a lot quicker, and it was just more safe. And from here, I kind of wanted to show you this clip here of the ridge post and how the ridge board sits in those posts. I kind of notched out a little piece so that the board would sit right in there, and that's what you see up there with the ridge post and the ridge board itself. Up next is me cutting the 4x4s corner braces, 45-degree cuts, 2 per post. Pretty straightforward. I did end up buying really long, I think it was 8, no, could have been 8 or 10-inch lag screws or bolts. And man, those bad boys were about $4, maybe $5 each. It was ridiculous. And as you can see, my friends here helping out, putting up those rafters. And of course, I had to go pick up the roofing material. I didn't know this stuff was fairly heavy. You see the truck kind of wiggling around there when the weight gets placed on top of it. Alright folks, so something I didn't record because I thought I was recording, but technically it wasn't. We put in plywood sheets, 1/2 inch, and we painted the bottom white. Here it is. And now today we went to go pick up the material, roofing material. It's going to be a dark charcoal color to match our roof, and so that's what we'll be doing today. I know zero about installing roofs or roofing material, so I had to call in the pros. Alright guys, as you can see, we got half a roof done. The clouds are looking pretty wicked this afternoon, and we got the barbecue ready to go. So we'll take a break and then we'll continue and do this side over here. Alright guys, as you just saw, that was the very last ridge cap that was installed. The roof overall looks amazing. This pergola with the roof all complete is still not done. I'm going to install a feature wall, TV, wiring, lighting, all that good stuff. And now I'm installing some more post anchors here so I can attach the studs where the feature wall will get screwed onto. And it was just me out there setting this up, but this is an all hands on deck type of project. So I called my mom and I called my son, and they came out and helped me, and this went a lot quicker after they showed up. So huge thanks to them. Alright, and here's what it looks like going into the evening with the LED lights. Now I did buy a dimmer for the LED lights to turn them down. As you can see, the back of the TV also has some LED lighting. There it is, it's off. Alright, let's keep it like that for now. So there are the lights there. We actually had a family gathering here, friends and family gathering last night. It was a sporting event. It was a boxing match, and today, this morning, we sat out here, enjoyed a movie with the kids. Down there in the middle, we had a stereo and speakers set up, but I'm thinking of adding some speakers up towards the top of each corner up there, so we can have some audio and I don't have to keep bringing out the speakers every time that I want to have sound out here. I'm not too fond of sound bars, so that's kind of out of the question for me, but I will be adding some sort of audio rig to this. Overall, pretty happy with how it came out. Everybody was complimenting how good it turned out and how nice it looks. So yeah, thanks for watching, everybody.